Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and today's video is really about laser bed placement and how to orient your wood in your laser to get the fastest time. I would normally do it this way. This is like 4x12 pieces of alder. If I was doing name tags, I would surely put it this way. But since it was a cross, you might have a reason or think it would look cool to run it like this. But this took 8 minutes and 52 seconds. This one only took 6 minutes and 11 seconds to engrave and cut on both of them. I ran both of them at the same speed. So that's over 3.5 minutes or 2.5 minutes more. Same job, same deal. Nothing's different. And I can't tell you, I mean, this is just for one item. If you had 3 across or more, think about that. So what I've learned in lasering is that if you're running this at 50 speed, 100 power, and 600 dots per inch, the laser's having to lay those dots down as it's going uphill. So that's how it really slows it down putting that many dots. It's moving across faster, but as it moves up, it's going a little slower. So this has a lot less room to go up. You can see this whole bottom section is done all by itself, where this is running now. You got to say, well, it's running longer distance, but the laser is going quite fast this way. It's moving uphill from what I understand. Anyway, so think about that next time you lay a piece of wood in your laser. Think about the orientation. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.